you in my channel Phonics with Sana. Hope you all are learning and growing with each of my videos. You are learning sound and you are getting to know many new sounds with the help of which you can simply read and write easily. Your learners can read and write easily. We have talked about quadgraph, trigraph. There are so many things which we need to learn as a trainer, as a teacher, and make our learners grow. Okay, so today we are going to do, what are we going to do? Yes, we are going to do sight words. Before starting up, I just want to make an announcement that I have been getting few requests about the language of the video, that few of my subscribers are really requesting me and they are asking me to speak in Hindi as well. They are finding it tough to understand somewhere in English. So from now onwards, I will be speaking in both the language. I'll definitely try to speak in both the language, that is in Hindi as well and English as well. I'll be making it in bilingual. I hope it's fine with everyone. Okay, so let's get started. If you're new to my channel, please first go and subscribe it. Please go and subscribe it. And to my old viewers and subscribers, like and share. Okay, let's get started. Now in my channel, we discuss basically about phonics, the language of phonemes and the language of sound. It is a very important and integral part which is followed in schools these days, and it is simply amazing. In my previous videos, we have seen how we blend the words, how we make a completely new word by mixing so many different kind of sounds. So these sight words are a very important and major process, a major part of this phonics, of this sound system. Now what is sight word and what are sight word? Sight words होते क्या हैं? So my dear viewers, sight मतलब क्या होता है? The things which you see by these two eyes. This is what sight means, right? And what are sight words? Sight words are the words. These are also called the high frequency words. High frequency means reoccurrence. They are occurring again and again. ये बार बार हमारे रीडिंग प्रोसेस में हमें दिखते रहते हैं, बार बार हमारी नज़रों के सामने आते रहते हैं. For example, if I say am, I, off, on, the, in, on, to, these are few of the words. In fact, there is a long list जो हम बार बार अपने रीडिंग प्रोसेस में देखते हैं. जब भी कभी हम रीडिंग कर रहे हैं या अपने बच्चों को करा रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो रिपीट हो रहे हैं, जो बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं और हमारी नज़रों के सामने, हमारी साइट के सामने बार बार आ रहे हैं. So this is why these sight words are very important. Sight words, my dear viewers, do not follow the rule of phonics. Some may follow. There are some sight words which may follow the rule of phonics. For example, on, off. But there are many sight words which do not follow the rule of phonics, which do not follow the sound system. हमें simply उन्हें याद करना पड़ता है, हमें simply उन्हें learn करना पड़ता है. We have to recall it, we have to memorize it again and again. Why we need to memorize it? Because ये जो sight words होते हैं एक तरीके के गम होते हैं. They are a glue. They are kind of fevicol, we can say, to bind the sentence. They just bind the sentence. These sight words bind the sentence together. ये एक सेंटेंस को बांध के रखते हैं. बिना साइट वर्ड के आपने देखा होगा कोई भी पैराग्राफ या कोई भी सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं होता. इन, ऑन, द, इनटू, ऑफ, ये सारी चीज़ें आती ही हैं जब हम रीडिंग करते हैं. इसीलिए हमें ज़रूरी है जब हमारे बच्चे केजी में है, किंडरगार्टन में है, हमें उन्हें जो पहली चीज़ जिससे इंट्रोड्यूस कराना होता है वो होता है sight words. So there is a list of sight words, my dear viewers. There is a list of sight words which we called the Dolch list of sight words. The Dolch list of sight words में there are 220 sight words. 220. Can you imagine? 220 sight words in this list which our kids, our learners need to learn. Now, who has given this list? There was this great educator, Dr. Edward William Dolch. He has given this list of the sight word. He was the one who said that not all words can be pronounced with the help of phonics. और मैंने भी ये देखा है. Just few days back, I was just noticing few of my learners, they were reading a paragraph. Not to mention the class, but many learners who are in class 3, who are in class 4, they are not able to read properly. What do they do? Whenever they are introduced to phonics, the teacher simply tells them the sound and they start decoding. They start decoding the word and they start decoding each and every word. Why? It's not important to decode each and every word. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सारे वर्ड्स फोनिक्स से डिकोड हो पाए. जब वो बच्चे फोनिक्स से सारे वर्ड्स डिकोड करने लगते हैं, प्रॉब्लम वही आती है उनके रीडिंग में. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं, they are called the special word, they are called the tricky word, they are called the sight words, जिन्हें हम फोनिक्स से डिकोड नहीं करते. Definitely in these words also there are some of the words which follow the phonics rules, but a majority of words do not follow the phonics rule. There are many words which we just need to memorize in our mind, which our learners need to learn to read properly. Now, what is the use of this sight word? Why to learn the sight words? Man, come on. Why is it important to learn a thing? Because rote learning is not at all appreciated, and it's not at all appreciated anywhere. It is like let the child think, let the child understand. But here the memorizing is important. And why is it important? Because it will make you a confident reader. You will be a confident reader if you know the sight word. You will learn, you will be able to read fast. आप fast reading करोगे अगर आपको sight words आते हैं, और आप जल्दी reading करोगे. So it is a kind of glue. This is why the sight words are called glue for any sentence. Now, Sir Edward Dolch, he has given this list of 220 words. After this, many a list came in which there were addition to these words only. For example, after the Dolch list, there came the Fry list. So in the Fry list, there was again some addition. There was numerous addition of new words. We will come on to that. But coming on to the Dolch list, which we start in the pre-primary, in the kindergarten. It is also divided into levels and groups. The kindergarten list is different. Then in KG they learn a new set of sight words. Then in class 1 they learn a new set of sight words. And then in class 2 they learn a completely new set of sight words. So in short and simple, what are sight words? Sight words are the words which keep on occurring frequently, जो हमारी नज़रों के सामने बार बार आते हैं जब हम रीडिंग करते हैं. बच्चों को ये लर्न करने होते हैं, बिकॉज अगर ये लर्न कर लेंगे इजीली मेमोराइज करके, फॉर एग्जांपल OF ऑफ, ON ऑन, FIND फाइंड, DOWN डाउन, तो उनके लिए रीडिंग बहुत ईजी हो जाएगी. They will be able to learn fast, they will be able to learn quick, and they will be confident in reading. They'll feel confident about it. Okay, so let's come on and let's jump to the Dolch list, starting with the kindergarten list, the level 1 list. First of all, let's get started. So simply we are going to just count on the words, and just we will see that how many words are there in the kindergarten list. There can be more of it. If the child is reading storybooks, he can come across many new sight words as well. So चलिए अब देखते हैं कि हमारी डॉल्च वर्ड्स की वर्ड लिस्ट की जो पहली लिस्ट है उसमें कितने वर्ड्स हैं और क्या हैं वो वर्ड्स. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. लेवल 1 किंडरगार्टन. A. This A is also called as a at times. A, one and the same thing. And, and. AWAY, away. BIG, big. BLUE, blue. CAN, can. COM, come. DOWN, down. FIND, find. FOR, for. FUNNY, funny. GO, go. HELP, help. HERE, here. IN, IS, is. IT, it. LITTLE, little. LOOK, look. MAKE, make. MY, my. ONE, PLAY, play. RED, red. RUN, run. SAID, set. SEEC, THE, the. THREE, 3. TO2, TWO2, UP, up. WEV, WHERE, where. YELLO, yellow. YOU. So these were the words which come in the kindergarten list. Moving on to the KG list. Level 2. But it is not specific and not to mention कि ये words हम KG में नहीं पढ़ सकते, ये words हम class 1 में पढ़ ही नहीं सकते, 1 वाले words हम KG में नहीं पढ़ सकते, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. There is nothing like that. It is just that ये words हैं जिनको हम sight words कहते हैं. हमारे learners को, हमारे बच्चों को ये पता होना चाहिए कि ये sight words हैं. So these are all the sight words which our learners should know. Moving on, again, a new list of the sight words is here in front of you. All these words, a complete list I'll be sharing in the description box. If you want to go through the Fry list and the Dolch list, again after the Fry list, there was a new set of list. All the list I will be sharing in the description box. You can go through a complete list of the sight words. Keep learning, keep practicing phonics with Sana. Subscribe to my channel if not yet done. Please do like, share and tell me in the comment box if you want a video on any new topic or any particular topic. See you on. Till then, bye bye. Love you all. Take care. Stay safe.